Telangana may soon follow Karnataka's path in bringing a strict law against hate speech. Days after the Karnataka Legislative Assembly passed the Hate Speech and Hate Crimes Prevention Bill 2025, Telangana Chief Minister A. Revanth Reddy announced that his government is planning to introduce similar legislation in the State Assembly near the future. Speaking at the Christmas celebration organized by the Telangana government, Revanth Reddy said the state is committed to tackling hate speech through legal measures. Referring to the Karnataka government's move, which is also led by the Congress party, he stated clearly, "We will soon bring legislation in the assembly on hate speech." His remarks come at a time when the Karnataka Assembly cleared the controversial hate speech bill amid strong protest from the opposition. Introducing the bill in the House, Karnataka Home Minister G. Parameswara said the law had become necessary due to a sharp rise in inflammatory remarks that threaten social harmony. Parameswara warned that such statements could have serious and dangerous consequences, including violence and unrest. He cited incidents of murders, assaults, and increasing social tensions, linking them to the growing spread of hate speech. According to him, inflammatory speech poses unpredictable dangers to society, making legal intervention essential to prevent further damage. However, the bill has triggered intense criticism from the opposition. Karnataka's leader of the opposition, R. Ashok, opposed the legislation, calling it a direct attack on freedom of expression. He questioned the need for such a law even 75 years after India's independence. Ashok also alleged that the law could be misused to target individuals, particularly political opponents. Raising further concerns, he claimed that certain provisions of the bill do not allow for bail and warned that journalists could also be jailed under the new law, which he said could create fear and suppress a free speech. Despite the criticism, Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has reiterated his government's intention to move forward, emphasizing the importance of maintaining social harmony. He said Telangana would soon introduce a law to address hate speech through legal means. As debates around free speech versus regulation continue, all eyes are now on Telangana, which appears set to follow Karnataka in taking legislative action against hate speech.